earlier studied the reported speech, and we already know that there are two ways of narrating any statement. If we quote the real words of the speaker, that is direct speech. If we convert the speaker's word in our own words or speech, that is called indirect speech. It means the art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. But in the examination, we have to answer in the para, in the form of dialogue, not of one sentence. Okay, in the form of dialogue. So the question will be, this time I am giving you the question. How the question comes in the examination. Read the dialogue. Given below. And complete the report that follows. So this is based on the reported speech, but in the form of dialogue. तुषार, our school is celebrating World Health Day. Tomorrow. Anil, this is reported speech, but in the form of dialogue. Two persons are talking. Who is your chief guest? Tushar. Our chief guest is the Honorable Governor Anil. This is quite incredible. Two students are talking about, and now we have to complete the report. That is the reported speech, but in the form of dialogue. Some sentences are given and you have to work out the rest. First sentence is assertive. Tushar told Anil. Number A. In this way, the question will be asked in the examination. This will be called complete the report. Some thing will be given, already given to you, and you have to complete the rest. Tushar told Anil, now you have to convert this direct speech into indirect form of speech. You already know the rules. We have already discussed the rules of assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, optative sentence, exclamative sentence. Tushar replied, sorry. Anil told, Anil asked him, for this sentence, the gap will be given. Tushar replied, in response to the question, who is your chief guest, there will be reply. So the reporting verb will be reply. Tushar replied. Number C. For this sentence, the gap will be given. Anil was surprised and commented, number D. Okay, completely based on the reported speech. Some worked out things are already given and you have to complete the report. Assertive sentence reporting are told, and for assertive sentence conjunction will be that. You recall what is the conjunction of assertive sentence? Sign of assertive sentence full stop. That. First person we have drawn the chart. That first person changes according to subject. Second person changes according to object. Third person no change. Okay. And we have already drawn the chart that nominative case, possessive case, adjective case. We, our, us. First person. Okay. First person changes according to subject. Subject is Tushar, it means he. But our is plural. So what is plural of he? They. But this is in possessive form. In which form the word is, and we have to change in that possessive form. If nominative case we, then changes will be they. If the word is possessive form, then what is possessive of they? There. Now once again understand. We, our, us, first person, changes according to subject. Subject is Tushar, he. R is plural, so he will be they. This is possessive case. And what is possessive of they? there. Person change and verb change, and some words are changed. Person change, verb change, some words are changed. For example, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day. Okay. That their school, this will not be changed. This will be changed to past form. What is past of is was, V4, V1, V2. And V2 had V3. V3 remains same. V4 remains same. Celebrating World Health Day. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day. Once again, I am repeating. Reporting verb is already given to you. What will be conjunction for assertive sentence? That we, our, us, first person. First person changes equal to subject. Subject is Tushar, he. R is plural. So what is plural of he? They. This is in possessive form. So what is possessive of they? There. School. What? Before, World Health Day. And tomorrow will be changed to the next. So what change? Person change, verb change, some words are changed. Now Anil asked, who? You know that interrogative sentence, this is for of interrogation, question mark. Interrogative sentence is changed to assertive sentence. In interrogative sentence, verb comes before the subject. And when we change the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence, first subject comes, then verb. Who? Your second person changes according to object. Anil is talking to Tushar. Okay, Tushar, he, okay, he. And your is possessive form. So what is possessive of he? His. But this is not the school of only Tushar. School is of all the students. So this is in plural form. You singular form and you plural form also. This is not the school of only Tushar, but all the students. So who? Your second person changes according to object. Anil is talking to Tushar, so he. And your plural form, so what is plural of he? They. And this is possessive form. So what is possessive of they? There. Once again, second person changes according to object. Object is Tushar, because Anil is talking to Tushar. Tushar, he. And your plural form, what is plural of he? They. And this is possessive form. What is possessive of they? There. Who there? Who there? Chief guest was. Because we have to change interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. And in assertive sentence, after the subject, verb comes. You will be surprised that verb has come in the end of the sentence. Yes, this may be, but not was will be here. Who was? Who was their chief guest? Once again, this will remain the question, and we have to change it into assertive sentence. First subject, then verb. Tushar replied. Once again, this is assertive sentence. This is sign of assertive sentence. R first person according to subject. Tushar, he. R plural. What is plural of he? They. R possessive. What is possessive of they? There. First, that the catch conjunction will be that for assertive sentence, that their chief guest was the honorable governor. Okay, any problem? Anil was surprised that honorable governor will be here as a chief guest. So he commented that this is assertive sentence, and for assertive sentence that is the conjunction, and this will be changed to that. So once again that. It may be, there is no problem. First conjunction and this change into this change into that. Here, there, now, then. Okay, ago, before. Anil was surprised and commented that that was quite incredible. Okay, and this is how we complete the report. You take the screenshot because I am going to rub it out, then I will give you HW. Okay. In dialogue form, Sachin, can you give me a ticket for the Taj Express? Clerk, you are lucky because there is only one seat left. Sachin, how much shall I pay for it? Clerk, you have to pay ₹300 only. Now leave one line. Sachin, this is interrogative sentence. What will be reporting was asked. This is the push designation. Ask the clerk. Now you have to change this sentence into that form of speech. So for this sentence, the gap will be given. Okay, sufficient gap. The clerk, assertive sentence. The clerk told him number B. So for this sentence, you will get the gap. Sachin is further questioning him. So Sachin further asked him number C. So for this sentence, you will get the gap, blank. The clerk replied. So you will already get the reporting verb. Yes, reporting verb you have got. Here also, here also, here also. But you have to supply the conjunction. What will be the conjunction for interrogative sentence? This is interrogative sentence. What will the conjunction for assertive sentence? This is assertive sentence. What will be the conjunction for this interrogative sentence? Two types of interrogative sentence. One WH and one with helping verb. Okay, auxiliary verb. And for this sentence you have also supplied the conjunction. I think that you must have understood and you will complete the IW. Okay, lots of thanks to you.